Ever pondered on the potential of making money through various apps? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to Easy Earnings Hub, the perfect platform to learn and master the art of earning through digital means. Our friendly guide and expert, Elisha Phiri, is here to unlock the secrets to financial success in this digital era. Elisha will take you on a journey through step-by-step tutorials on how to effectively navigate and profit from the latest earning apps. But first, what is an earning app? An earning app is a mobile application that enables users to earn money by performing certain tasks. These tasks can range from taking surveys, watching videos, playing games, and even shopping online. Let's delve right into the process. Step 1. Choose the right app. There are hundreds of earning apps available, but not all are legitimate. Do some research, read reviews, and select the app that best fits your needs and skill set. Step 2. Download and sign up. Once you've chosen your app, download it from the App Store and sign up. Most apps will require some basic information such as your name, email address, and sometimes a payment method. Step 3. Understand the app. Spend some time exploring the app interface. Learn how it works, what tasks are available, and how much you can earn from each task. Step 4. Start earning. Now that you're familiar with the app, it's time to start making money. Complete the tasks on the app and watch your earnings grow. Step 5. Cash out. Once you've earned a certain amount, you can cash out. Each app has different payout methods, so be sure to check the app's payout policy. And voila! That's how you can start making money through various apps. Remember, patience and consistency are key. It might start slow, but with time, you can create a substantial income stream. Now let's recap the steps. 1. Choose the right app. 2. Download and sign up. 3. Understand the app. 4. Start earning. 5. Cash out. Easy, right? Stay tuned for more tutorials and insider tips on optimizing your income streams effortlessly. Discover practical guides for making money online on a daily basis. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced earner, we've got you covered. Join Elisha Phiri on this exciting journey to financial freedom. Catch him on Telegram at Welcome Aboard the Easy Earnings Hub, where earning has never been this easy.